AI is the most powerful money-making force that we'll see in our lifetime. But the question is, do you have a good game plan to get rich with it? Imagine you had 100 highly trained and incredibly smart people working for you, doing whatever you told them, but you paid them just 10 cents each per day. Would you be able to make money? Now imagine you had 1,000 of them, an army of super workers who worked around the clock 24/7, who never complained, who never called in sick, who never took holidays, and only cost you a fraction of $1 per day. And even better, each month, your workers got an upgrade. Your AI workers get an upgrade and become smarter and cheaper every single month. You'd make a fortune, right? You would, but the problem is you don't have a business where you can put your AI workers to work. You don't have a product to sell yet. I want to show you how you can create a product and a business that's powered by AI, a business that spins off money simply because it harnesses this new money-making force that we call AI. I'm sure you already realize that AI is going to make more millionaires than anything else that's come before it. But the real key is harnessing it effectively for passive income. And the key to harnessing AI to make you money is to own an AI business. Hi, I'm Will. I'm the founder of thenewrich.com. I've built and sold 2 businesses in 2 completely different niches. And now my focus is 100% on using AI to build simple but wildly profitable businesses faster than ever before. I've created a community of like-minded, regular people who are getting rich with AI by building their own AI business. People who are new to The New Rich always ask me, do I need to be good at tech to make money with AI? And the answer always surprises them. I tell them, no, you don't need to be good with tech to make money with AI. In fact, the number 1 money-making skill in this AI revolution is actually empathy. Can you understand someone else's perspective? Can you relate to someone else and their struggles and their feelings? Well, if you can, you'll thrive by building your own AI business. The tech part of digital business just became way easier because of AI. So it can now just handle all of that techie stuff. I've never written a line of code in my life. So if you want to join me on this journey, getting rich with AI, then head over to our official website, thenewrich.com, and find out more. Right now is the time to get started with your own AI business. This opportunity won't last for long. Things are changing too quickly, but the people who get in now will reap the benefits for years to come. So if this message resonates with you, and if you want your fair share of the profits that will be created by AI, then click the link and head over to thenewrich.com.